Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cameras that are ready to hit the road with you. On the left side, we have the Focusway Dash Cam Front Rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and on the right side we have the Pilot Dash Camera. Let's buckle up and dive right into the comparisons. Alright folks, let's talk about video resolution. The Focusway Dash Cam offers a stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution for the front camera and Full HD 1080p for the rear camera. That means you'll be capturing every vital detail on the road, from license plates to road signs. It's like having a personal eyewitness. On the other hand, the Pilot Dash Camera also gives you a front camera with 4K resolution and a rear camera with 1080p resolution. You won't miss a thing with this setup either. It's a close call in this category. Now let's shed some light on night vision capabilities. The Focusway Dash Cam features an advanced Sony STAR-VIS sensor, combined with an improved f1.8 large aperture lens and WDR/HDR technology. This means excellent visibility during night driving, even when capturing license plate numbers under low light conditions. Say goodbye to those blurry night shots. Meanwhile, the Pilot Dash Camera also boasts super night vision and infrared cabin light. With its wide aperture and infrared lights, it can clearly capture important details day or night. No more fumbling in the dark. Alright, it's time to park it and talk about parking mode. The Focusway Dash Cam offers a 24-hour parking monitoring feature with two modes. The collision detection mode automatically activates and records a 30-second emergency video when it detects a collision while parked. And the time-lapse recording mode continues capturing videos even after the engine is off. Talk about being a vigilant parking buddy. On the other hand, the Pilot Dash Camera also offers parking mode with collision detection and delayed recording. It's always ready to protect your vehicle from theft or vandalism, even when you're not around. Safety first, even when you're parked. Last but not least, let's talk about customer service. The Focusway Dash Cam comes with dedicated customer service and a 12-month worry-free service. If you encounter any issues, their support team is just a message away. You can count on them to provide the assistance you need. That's peace of mind right there. And don't worry, the Pilot Dash Camera also has a complete pre-sales and after-sales team. They've got your back with 24/7 technical support. You'll never feel alone on the road with this one. Both the Focusway Dash Cam and the Pilot Dash Camera offer impressive features to keep you safe and secure on the road. Remember, it's important to choose the one that suits your specific needs and budget. Well folks, it's time to wrap up this comparison. Thanks for joining us on Buy Smart. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and buying guides. Drive safe and stay smart.